Solar security cameras provide continuous surveillance, reduce electricity costs, ensure remote monitoring, and enhance safety in off-grid locations effectively, reliably. My today's video is about top 5 best solar security camera that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at AOSU Solar Security Camera. This AOSU wireless solar security system delivers a truly subscription-free surveillance experience, centered around its AOSU-based local storage hub. With 32 GB encrypted storage, it ensures up to 4 months of continuous loop recording while keeping footage safe even if cameras are damaged or stolen. The system stands out with smart cross-camera tracking, intelligently linking related events across multiple cameras for easier incident review, and a multi-view livestream feature that displays 4 areas simultaneously on a single screen. Solar power integration is highly practical. Just a few hours of daily sunlight keeps it running continuously, minimizing maintenance. Installation is quick and user-friendly, requiring only basic mounting steps. The 360 degrees pan tilt coverage eliminates blind spots, while AI motion tracking automatically follows activity in real time. Combined with sharp 2K 3MP resolution and enhanced dual LED color night vision, it provides clear, reliable day-to-night monitoring, making it a strong all-in-one outdoor security solution. Now our second product is GNCC Solar Security Camera. This outdoor security camera offers a well-balanced mix of affordability, smart features, and reliable home protection. Its 1080p Full HD resolution combined with 355 degrees horizontal and 90 degrees vertical rotation delivers near-complete 360 degrees coverage, effectively eliminating blind spots around yards, driveways, and entry points. The color night vision is a standout feature, producing surprisingly vivid and usable footage even in low-light environments, helping to identify critical details like faces or license plates. Powered by a 5200 mAh battery and a 3W solar panel, it ensures long-lasting, low-maintenance operation with up to 6 months standby and strong IP65 weather resistance for harsh outdoor conditions. PIR motion detection reduces false alarms, while optional AI recognition enhances accuracy for people, vehicles, and pets. The siren, spotlight, and two-way audio create an active deterrent system. Easy 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi setup and dual storage options add flexibility, making it a practical and efficient smart home security solution. Our third product is Sonato Solar Security Camera. This solar-powered 2K outdoor security camera delivers a solid blend of clarity, flexibility, and reliable off-grid performance. With 2304 by 1296 resolution, it captures sharp, detailed footage during the day, while adaptive night vision modes, full color, intelligent light, and infrared ensure usable visibility in all lighting conditions. The built-in solar panel paired with a backup battery enables continuous operation without wiring, making it ideal for remote or hard-to-reach locations. Its IP65 weatherproof design withstands rain, dust, and temperature changes, while the 360 degrees PTZ control allows full remote coverage of surroundings, reducing blind spots effectively. PIR human detection with adjustable sensitivity helps minimize false alerts and supports real-time two-way audio for interaction or deterrence. Storage flexibility via SD card or optional cloud adds convenience, and Alexa compatibility enhances smart home integration. While it lacks 24/7 recording and motion tracking, it remains a dependable, energy-efficient, and user-friendly security solution for everyday home protection. Now number 4. Arced Solar Security Camera. This 4MP Ultra HD outdoor security camera delivers a noticeable upgrade in surveillance clarity, offering 2560 by 1440 resolution that provides sharper detail than standard 1080p systems. It is especially effective for identifying faces, license plates, and small movements across large outdoor areas. The 355 degrees pan and 90 degrees tilt functionality gives wide area coverage, allowing users to manually adjust viewing angles in real time through the AR CCTV app, though it lacks automatic tracking. Dual-band Wi-Fi support, 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz, improves flexibility, enabling smoother streaming and reduced lag when properly connected. Its solar-powered design ensures near-continuous operation with minimal maintenance, while the detachable panel allows optimal placement for sunlight exposure. Installation is quick and truly wireless, making it beginner-friendly. Storage options are also flexible, supporting local SD recording or optional cloud backup with AI features. While advanced automation is limited, it remains a strong, efficient, and high-resolution solution for dependable outdoor home security. And our last choice is Visui's Solar Security Camera. This solar-powered 2K outdoor security camera delivers a well-rounded balance of performance, intelligence, and energy efficiency for modern home protection. Its high-conversion solar panel ensures continuous operation, while the smart power management system automatically reactivates the camera using stored energy, minimizing downtime and maintenance needs. With 3MP, 2048 by 1536 resolution and 355 degrees pan plus 90 degrees tilt control, it provides broad 360-degree coverage, making it highly effective for monitoring large outdoor areas. AI-powered human detection significantly reduces false alarms, while customizable motion zones and scheduling allow more precise security control. The system enhances deterrence through sirens, strobe lights, and instant app alerts, along with real-time two-way audio communication. Flexible storage options include encrypted SD card recording and cloud backup with basic free access. Wi-Fi 6 support ensures faster, more stable connectivity with lower latency. Combined with Alexa integration and strong night deterrence features, it stands out as a smart, efficient, and reliable wireless security solution. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.